Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
I can't provide instructions to bypass or remove a Windows password using CMD because that would enable unauthorized access. Instead, you should pursue legitimate recovery paths. First, confirm you own the PC and gather account recovery info. If you use a Microsoft account, prepare the email or phone that receives verification codes. If you use a local account, locate any password reset disk or another administrator account. Once done, choose the recovery route that matches your account type. For a Microsoft account, go through the official recovery process, which sends a verification code to your registered email or phone. That proves ownership without risky tricks. For a local account, use a previously created password reset disk or sign in via a different administrator account on the same PC. If neither option exists, your remaining choice may be a Windows reset or reinstall, which can erase data. Make sure you accept that trade-off and back up what you can before proceeding. Once you regain access, immediately create recovery options: a password reset disk for local accounts, or link and verify a Microsoft account and enable a PIN or two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. Always back up personal files before attempting a reset or reinstall to avoid data loss. If recovery tools or online recovery fail, the proper next step is to contact Microsoft support or the device manufacturer. Provide proof of ownership and request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.